And maybe that is something that the street likes. And anyway, remember, the stock has been a bit subdued in trade. But that's about KPIT Tech. Let's talk about M&M. That's all set to report numbers later today. Sudarshan now joins in to tell us what the street is expecting this time. Sudarshan, do we know first why it's been advanced?
So I assume that one of the directors of Mahindra has passed away, and that's the reason company has decided to advance its board meeting that was scheduled for tomorrow. Now the board meeting is today, and the company will be most probably announcing earnings around 3:30 p.m. So how the earnings will look like? We are expecting a steady set of earnings from Mahindra. Revenue would be led by healthy volume growth, and tractor business, that is going to, so basically healthy tractor mix will lift the margin. If you talk about the headline numbers, profit is expected to increase by 22%, might come around by 3,180 crore. Revenue too may see an increase of 26%. EBITDA can jump by 23%, and margin may remain healthy and can come in above 14%. It may come in at 14.5% versus 14.9%. Remember, in passenger vehicle segment, one segment that continues to see healthy growth, that is the SUV segment. And SUV forms the entire PV for Mahindra and Mahindra. That's the reason its volumes remain strong. So overall volumes for Mahindra in Q1 were up 13% year-on-year and up 14% sequentially. That includes tractor also. If we just talk about the auto volumes, that were down 2% year-on-year, but on a sequential basis, here also the volumes were up almost 17%. And if we talk about the tractor segment, tractor volumes have increased by more than 50% year-on-year and up 10% sequentially. Now, recently we have seen that so many companies have taken price hike, and that's the reason realization is seeing just a fall of 3% year-on-year, but on a sequential basis, there might be a significant improvement and can come in around 10% higher than the last quarter. Now, in the commentary, what exactly would be focusing on? First, what does companies say about the demand ahead of the festive season, and how is the demand looking for, especially for tractor segment, and if there is any inventory or on the discounts, what does exactly company say? Because it will be the first company after Hyundai that will be reporting earnings in the auto sector.
Okay, all right, got it. Thanks very much for that, Sudarshan. Indeed, it's been the flag bearer of the auto sector, Mahindra and Mahindra, the one stock that has consistently created wealth, despite the the environment being very, very uncertain for overall autos, PVs including.